You gonna talk some more? Say hey, everybody. I just got out of the bathtub. Playing with your passy? Hey, Bellamy. You too busy playing with your passy? Oh, hi! Oh, now you got your foot. We're getting ready for bed. Yeah. Yeah. Is it almost sleepy time? What's tomorrow? What are we doing tomorrow? Can you tell everybody? What are we doing tomorrow? Goodness. You trying to put your foot in your mouth? What are we doing tomorrow? See, we're getting IVIG tomorrow. Hopefully it'll work this time. Yeah. We're gonna be there all day, aren't we? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, tell me about it. Yeah, tell me about it. It's gonna be a long day, huh? What are we gonna do tomorrow? We're gonna read some books. Bellamy. Bellamy. Hi. What else are we gonna do tomorrow? Play with some of our toys. Yeah. Maybe take a little nap together because Bellamy gets really sleepy. Oh, are you pooing? Are you pooing? And let's scratch on your nose. Are you talking? Or are you just making music? It's very good. That's very good. Yeah? Good job. That's beautiful music. Oh, you're not done. You are such a ham, aren't you? Is that Sissy? She's excited because Daddy's home. Daddy just got home. Are we done? Is the performance over? Good job.